Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Gemini credit card. First, ensure you meet the basic requirements. You need to be a verified Gemini user and a resident of the United States, including all 50 states and Puerto Rico. A good credit score, ideally 690 or better, is recommended for the best approval odds. You can check your eligibility online without affecting your credit score. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to apply. Log in to your Gemini account and easily find the credit card section. You'll then complete a secure online application form, providing your personal and financial information, including income details. Remember to carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions before submitting. The application process is designed to be straightforward and quick. After submitting your application, you'll often receive a decision within 60 seconds. If approved, your sleek metal Gemini credit card will be mailed to your address, typically arriving within 5 to 7 days. Once it arrives, activate your card by logging into your Gemini account, navigating to card settings, and selecting Activate Your Card. You can also set a cash advance PIN at this time. With your new Gemini credit card, you can start earning crypto rewards immediately. You'll earn up to 4% back on qualifying purchases, with specific categories like gas and transit offering higher rates up to $300 in spending per month. You can choose to receive your rewards in Bitcoin or from over 50 other cryptocurrencies, and these rewards are instantly deposited into your Gemini account. Enjoy building your crypto portfolio with everyday spending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.